the e-calendar follow-up system that I have personally developed for me and my team. Let's get started. The fortune is in the follow-up. Do you guys agree with that? For me, I think yes and no, because obviously if you follow up too many times, you tend to look a little bit desperate, or you tend to not have that law of attraction effect. So for me, it's very important that I follow up with them with a bit of research into who they are, and also it's very important that I document whatever conversation we've had so I don't repeat myself in my follow-ups. This way, it just sounds like I'm very insincere. So here, I have an example of, for example, somebody who I would like to approach to close them on a product. All right. So here I would go, "Hi Sarah, how are you? This is Paula. We met last week, and or we met online last week. We were talking about facial devices. I have an amazing one at home, and my skin has improved so much. I literally can't wash my face without it." And say this with conviction. If you are leaving a voicemail, "Would you like me to show you my photo before after, or a product introduction video? I would love to share with you." The reason why I didn't say, "Would you like me to share with you?" Which is an open-ended question. I find that with product pitches, it's easier for them to give them an option A or B. So in this instance, I have, "Would you like to show you my photo?" choice number A, or "product intro video," choice B. This way, they can choose between A and B instead of asking an open-ended question, "Would you like me to show you?" Which, if they don't know what it is that you want to show them, it's likely they're going to say no to you. So let's just say it's somebody that you've approached with that previous message. They actually say, "Yeah, okay, I would like to give LumiSpa a try." And this is actually a few things I would do. So from the day of purchase to day number 7, depending on if they bought it on the spot or they bought it and then they're waiting for the LumiSpa to come, do make sure the day of purchase you explain the functions and benefits of the products they purchase well. And if you DM them on WhatsApp or something, I would save that message or store the message in case they will ask you again 7 days later, like, "Hey, how do you use this again? Or what are the functions?" This way you can resend that text message back to them instead of typing all over again. And of course, there's a lot of product information pages out there for LumiSpas or any other products online or on the Nu Skin website. Just make sure you save those into your calendar system as well. Yes, I meant saving the PDF or the JPEG, the photo, into a calendar system, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So after they receive the LumiSpa, make sure they're using it, and make sure that you address any of the concerns, like, "Oh, how do you turn it off?" or "How do you turn it on? Can you use it in the shower?" Make sure that you, within the 7 days, make sure you follow up with that. 15 days later, feel free to ask them for a before and after photo. They might not give it to you, but make sure you continue to give compliments and encouragement. Be like, "Okay, if after 14 days you feel like it's not the right time to give me a before after photo, just make sure you take a few and keep it yourself. I'm sure you're gonna look fantastic. Your face will be more uplifted. I know it. Just make sure that you save that photo for yourself." Okay, so that's how usually I would do it. And then after 30 days, if this is a customer that is, basically you have developed a really good relationship with them, then I would save that person and make sure that I follow up in a month's time. And number one thing is definitely they would need refills for their LumiSpa gels, right? Because a lot of our products are designed to be refilled every month. And this is where you can start talking about AROs, or I think in the US it's called ADRs, which is the monthly purchasing program. So you ask them if they need refills, top-ups, or sometimes you can even upsell products. Like, have you heard of the Galvanic Spa package that's coming out, right? You can ask for referrals from that client. "Hey, if you like the LumiSpa, if you refer people, you actually get sharing bonus of, here in Singapore is $35 Sing dollars for LumiSpa. Would you like to refer a few people to me?" Or if that person you think would be interested in the business, I think you can go ahead and schedule that call or meet in person or FaceTime to explain the business opportunity to them. So for